Let's take that idea of resiliency into a time of meditation together. I'm reminded of something that President Lincoln said. He said, "I'm not concerned that you fall. All men fall. I'm concerned that you rise." He was speaking to his cabinet, people gathering together at a time of when civil war is building in our country. I'm not concerned that you fall. All men fall. I'm concerned that you rise. So in this moment, as we think about spiritual roots, the image of a tree comes to me. So if you'll get comfortable, allow your shoulders to soften, allow any tension to leave your body. Let's focus on that idea of deep, deep roots. Like a tree standing in a forest. Your deep roots go down into the wellspring of life that is available, into the dirt that's available. What is the water, the nutrition that we get? It's from spirit. Our deep roots are here in the silence. We extend those roots even deeper. Our deep roots are in the Word. Our deep roots are in the daily Word. They're in our meditation. They're in our affirmative prayer. And the beautiful thing as we build our deep roots to be resilient is that when we stand in the forest with other trees, our root systems are combined. And here we are. Together, we stand strong and resilient through whatever swirls around us in the world because our roots are deep in the Word, deep in the prayer, deep in the meditation, and our roots touch each other, and we give our strength to each other. We are strong. We are courageous. We are resilient. Take that idea of that tree and that deep root into the silence together for a few moments and send out that thought of thankfulness for the trees also beside you. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, send a thought of thankfulness and gratitude out into the world around you. Send it down into the earth. Send it up into Father Sky. Thanks and gratitude for our deep, deep roots. We are courageous, strong, and resilient, and so it is.